Myself, Sakriya Joshi, volunteer, IEEE SP FISAT, and the campus ambassador of last edition of Extreme.
Myself Nandini, I am a second year student from Electronics and Communication Department and I was a participant for IEEE Extreme last year.
My name is Job Jacob. I was the problem setter for last year's pre-extreme and I was also the rank 1 from our college in last year's global extreme coding competition.
IEEE Extreme is a global level programming competition where the IEEE students from across the globe compete against each other to solve a set of programming questions in a span of 24 hours. It is one of the prime benefits of IEEE membership. Moreover, it is offering a huge platform for the students to compete against the top programming minds in the world. Witnessed a participation from over 10,000 students from across the world. We had more than 80 plus students constituting 31 teams registering for Extreme last year.
When we set the problems for pre-extreme, we knew that most of the students were new to competitive programming. So the problems we set were kind of simple and beginner level.
Firstly, I did not have any idea about how this was going to work, and then some of my seniors told that if you participate for the pre-extreme you would get a better view on how this competition is going to happen. So pre-extreme was like a training session for the main competition and it was conducted by our SB itself and it was a team competition. In my team I had two students who were from CS department and they were good coders, but considering me, I just had the basic knowledge in C++ and nothing more than that. So if this was an individual competition, definitely I'm going to lose. But thanks, it was a team competition and we were able to discuss each other and come up with answers and it went well.
It was amazing to see students come and participate as a team in the pre-extreme competition. Most of them were seeing such programming questions for the first time. They learned how to approach such questions and more importantly, they got excited about coding, and at the end of the day, all of them showed their interest to participate in the global extreme coding competition.
Extreme, it was a new or a brand new experience for me because it was a 24-hour coding competition which I have never experienced before, and I have never went for any other coding competition before, and this is my first ever coding competition. And this is also an international competition so that you get to participate with students in the other colleges all over the world, and that is also really exciting. And for Extreme, my team members were different. Like one member was my classmate and the other was my junior, and this junior student had some idea in coding because he was from CS, but me and my classmate had just that basic idea. So we all together were able to discuss and come up with some answers, but we were not able to get good ranks, but thanks, we were able to solve some questions at least. So from this we were able to learn new things because the questions were like we have never seen such questions, and when we discuss we come up with some new solutions, and so we think a lot and we were able to come up with new ideas and we were able to share our knowledge, and it was all together a wonderful experience.
But all the competitive coding competitions have a similar pattern. You will have an equal number of simple, medium and hard problems for the competition. You can identify the difficulty level of a problem by checking the accuracy or the percentage of students who successfully solved a problem, which will be shown in the platform beside every problem. You can practice or get used to such competitive programming problems using online platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth and CodeChef.
I was extremely happy to see students who were pro in programming but still who were ready to work as a team and try to come up with solutions. Many participants recall that day as one of the finest moments in their college life. I hope most students who are ready to think, learn and solve join for the upcoming edition of Extreme and Pre-Extreme 2.0.
And I am definitely waiting for the next IEEE Extreme competition Because why? Because why not? Thank you.